Enti Nana Ziega blàsts Hon Okudzeto Ablakwa concerning the all transit will make it because of that, US President Donald Trump the traveling ban be abeto Ghana so or may restriction be enye federal bra no osipa Ziega blàsts. Mema nchire mu no akere wa adwen ma me comment section. I Penyah Brock Media. Mess well say any demo. Obe like video no other man. Subscribe button, stand back the notification icon the latest update. Na be kere wa adwen ma me comment section so baso. No say for enya bi ahwe. So me be ka kire wo say unfortunately for Ghana no, American President Donald Trump will add Ghana to the newly added countries and one more visa restrictions. As the Korean no, Ghana will add among other 75 countries. I will try a serious traveling restriction. Restriction there mayan immigrant visa will come. Immigrant visa na or the mayan will come. Emma the last time we mu the difference between immigrant visa and non-immigrant visa. I'm sure say immigrant visa the mawa. Utu kwa ko US hono you can stay there forever. You have permanent residence. Ubeta tena mo mo on kwan nyina ko si obewu. 2, you qualify for green card. Oko tena mo yetima green card. Yetima green card. And after you can apply for citizenship. After staying there for 3 to 5 years unya green card, then you can apply for citizenship to become American citizen. So these are the benefits of immigrant visa. And immigrant visa no obetimi aba for hunipa every oman mu e de na ko se bia mo USA me kunu anabia me yere e wo Ghana betimi de immigrant visa no aye cover up aba be fan e de na ko se me yere meta fa aba fa me busuani mi nua bi akọ meta fa papa akọ obeduru a or permanent residence e ho ye permanent resident e kan aba so anya eno eye baako eye American lottery, that diversity lottery, DV lottery no eno wo apply say ye ma na ye ma immigrant visa ko betu America forever e biem to bia ho nipa be fa wo ko a ada say na ho nipa be fa wa e biem say bia obi o USA na o say opadwumani na oba be fa e de no kwa kwata ne nchen a unya American green card cause a US citizen ana be fa ba ni nya na ye twam we nya ye twam say ano now no betu ko USA agi say bia ye company e de wo ko ye adwuma contract e bia ye 2 years eso Oba Ghana ade akra nchen ho no mo obetu akọ ese bia ukọ akosua de ukọ school no ye makwai oba fie untimi tena America ho uwie school untimi tena ho oba okrum ebiem so obetu akọ America now agi se bia eye holiday ukotwa holidays date no so oba fie because immigrant visa na de man ye twam it only immigrant visa ebetu amount stay in America. Aside that, untimi nko stay ho no mo. Obekwa bia ye dwuma de bi na kwa kodie. Uwie ya wo ba. Eti na no ye twam. Eti bi mu kire se twa ye twam no. E ya Ablakwa obeka ya. American president do not talk capture Venezuela president no. On se Ghana be ye mensin be kire bobre. Ablakwa eko ye mensin kwa kan adwun tire American president Donald Trump say oh. Ade atam kwa kwa Venezuela condemn. Na face no the capturing of Nicolas Maduro. Venezuela president no try watch no ye Ghana condemn and with immediate effect ye demanded the release of that man Ablakwa nsa no e no for say no ehunti ana American president atwa Ghana foja na ne Nana Ziega obebo na adwen pa a kire Ablakwa na we ni nsem a okaye
maybe point ni say Hon Okudzeto Ablakwa time na US for call chi Cuba president no Cuba president no ono ho am na dwene ho a omo ka say Ghana for speak against it. I don't get it. Remember that
Israel 7 now Canada.
What's that?
Israel 7 no.
No, I'm talking about recently when US invaded Cuba.
Venezuela.
Sorry, Venezuela.
Venezuela.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Venezuela.
Yeah.
Ekochi Venezuela president yeah bought the charges no. You want you say on the Facebook. You want to say infographs now. You want to say release from Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Ghana condemned US attitude and bazaar.
But is it wrong?
Is it wrong?
Yeah. Say obey us.
Ghana Statistical Service for say we are little over 30 million.
Yeah.
11% out of the 30 million and they are politicians. You cannot decide for all of us. That's what I've given you a precedent of when US were invading Iraq. How they had to psych their citizens, even when the whole parliament accepted some invade Iraq. They have to psych their citizens before they go. The reason why President Mahama had to go to parliament to get an approval and send Ebola test about this country. And then Kanaba say Parliamentary Select Committee on Foreign Affairs we deliberate on it. This is what we want to do. Then Nipa Kakrabia Kosha them cassette US. They don't understand it. You think that, you see, if it was NPP that NPP na my yes and can wouldn't have any problem. What did America? Can wouldn't have any problem. But National Democratic Congress, they have the precedent to protect. When the civil war hit Cote d'Ivoire, when the pressure came on President Mills, say the Cote d'Ivoire are closer to us. Because some part of the cry, your citizens no more than Casso, so we should do something. Do you know what the president said? What's he? Yes. President Mills made us to understand that say Ghana the despite saying name say Cote d'Ivoire neighboring countries. He kept quiet. But US, whole US, almighty US. So my Venezuela. My question the president. I brought all reason for that. On session was say I condemn it. Who could any problem at the Amaya?
Problem Ben Sana.
Problem ni been at the Abano Messi and the Kabubi. The visa restriction is in the Kabubi. And it's another catcher say US want allies all the time. They watch. Or my visa restriction for 5 years. What the 5 years by 6 months? Why is it that say almost a gratis amnesty demand about two weeks or a time when deportees no you quite job deportees no ebegu Ghana high dispatch it's
not a coincidence thing.
It wasn't coincidence.
An issue
was the collateral.
Why
didn't he come to tell us that Emma US for a gratis amnesty demand when the European Parliament blacklisted Ghana say fraud fraud romance scam all this stuff. Tell me ban year 2019-2020. I'm grant amnesty demand in 2021. And there are some normal kind of grant amnesty demand. Say you pass Anti-Money Laundering Act. I'm here using the section 7 of the Anti-Money Laundering Act, and they are forming establish office be a financial intelligence center. Fake. It is I hon and in your dear check no mano. It is Ghana. Ya boy who say ya perceive a combat sadino. It is a babwa dia granted amnesty dia mai. Ediatina Yama in Crobese bebre visa restriction. Ya dos yama visa restriction. Ghana nkwa na ye film. Ade no be card quotia ye Ghana nkwa ya granted amnesty dia mai.
Diplomatic
just 2 weeks, just 2 weeks after the deportees there bedroom guano. It tells you a lot.
But it's not a diplomatic thing. I mean, where Yakumu Akwakudim Komamana Amana Bem. Again, issue where Sebi Mina Mitimi Crusoe. My Czech population who say when I issue a public charge in the US language means that immigrants are more bound use green card and will be depending on Mimi crew so in terms of finances and every single thing. My Czech population, including Nigeria, your good self Ghana and everybody. Monitoring trends so I have not said me mamu monitoring trends so for visitors and everything they move to me aye. What has that got to do with Ura Ablakwa? Means someone all year in terms of Venezuela and all those
because
things.
Because is the foreign affairs minister. That is why I'm saying that. Say President Mahama Eka will be no more side in India. That we are speaking to them as a government saying we are not happy. You understand? But so on one taking that decision in India, they need to be reshuffled. That is why he gave you a precedent. Say, Madam Hanatete, if you say Madam Hanatete, Madam Eshale Ayukoboki, Obeda Samoa, Pablo Seji, who else again? These people adebisi eba they will issue a statement to condemn US. Officer at the time they will come out to condemn what US did. Meanwhile obi onu no catch say yeni ye fiasem e Cote d'Ivoire.
Say ECOWAS principles. I mean, when things happen like that, you say ECOWAS principles. You know, you need to allow the internal things to be done. But this one, somebody leaves his own country. They say, I quite say, "Utu wa ukrum." Na America ni say Trump says he say and John Mahama ya no nani nje ho and nti no watu abakrum ha ababeye de sene de fata no sanko ekru ni nyane dia wababa beye no ko we are fine, we are okay because yes show menu mana. Is that what it means? Enti to me kan ho hwe
don't know me about
enti Ablakwa to me kan hwe say obi akọ obi man so akwakoye want to me ama internally and to me anye de omeye. But which one are you worried about?
One, most of the cocoa they consume a lot of chocolate in this country. A lot of chocolate. How many cocoa you ever say cocoa and millions of dollars in the US for top. US and the top more. Belgium and the Netherlands. On session paper kesi books are kesi ya de banner timba wo de kon US. One careful now kwaye vesa nkwa. One careful now kan kwaye sa no ma we se nkwa. Na se we mu na ba wakofa problem ama ye.
Maybe say worst scenario near from you worst scenario. So Yetihana say fancy US asan akobi man so akwakoye adense ni dem fata wako ofo say nipa no de oye no crime enti no ya yet say Nigeria de ya o mama for buy ya say Islam for ye ne mediense fata na bubram bam wa yet no san ko Ghana ya tibi no asan ba no aba be ye na we should hail him, we should hail America for doing that because yes show many more.
Nobody is hailing them, but we should keep quiet. You know why
we should keep quiet?
No, we should keep quiet because they have the reason for that. They invaded and they did not. It was Tinubu and the people. They released a statement. Tinubu had the backing. They had the Tinubu backing. They gave them the scenario. We see they gave them. Go and watch the Nigerians. You understand? I'm not holding breath for US people. But they have the special reason for doing that. Venezuela. Venezuela. Obu was the special reason for that. What was that? Drugs.
Yeah, but so how won't you allow internal issues to deal with a young president? Why do you have to come in?
Yeah, buddy.
Why do you have to come in?
Yeah, got it, buddy.
Are you also not working with Venezuela? Are you also not an ally to Venezuela? Don't you have Venezuela's here in Ghana? Don't you have businesses? Is it not the same Venezuela president? Is it not the same Venezuela president who came here once upon a time? To come.
Don't you have abhorrence here? Don't you have abhorrence here? Don't we have abhorrence here?
Yeah, we have abhorrence.
How come that President Mills said that we should
because of what I told you, the ECOWAS and the AU principles will not allow you to do that.
But that's not
problem. Yes.
Say America call Venezuela no. One, what is Germany Kasai? What's the France Kasa? What's the Holland Kasa? What's the Norway Kasa?
If they don't have any interest, why would they want to talk?
What interest do you have?
So what interest do you have?
But I have a business interest of Venezuela. Mind you, Ukraine and American shows Venezuela president Baha. Venezuela president Baha. Maybe some say Venezuela president Baha.
Germany. You can't words Papa was now. Germany compared to Ghana, France compared to Ghana, Italy compared to Ghana, Spain compared to Ghana, Netherlands compared to Ghana. Today,
British Parliament. UK Parliament is telling us to say they are now seeing Trump as international terrorist. He's behaving like an international terrorist. And where
they have ruled them before.
What are we talking about?
The British is about
if the Senate, but the point is that if they are not telling you what Trump is, they have what power?
What me found compare UK?
Let's get this straight.
Hey, no,
say Bonfia. The weddings of the letter, no. Okay, there are certain things that may be diplomatic. Certain things are done behind closed doors. You don't need to come out with that strong words. Especially what happens to Ghana and Israel.
But what words? What words been no use here? I read it. What words no use here?
The choice of words.
Choice of words been no use here. Are you serious?
Fine, we agree. We are a sovereign nation.
Yes,
but sometimes certain things.
And you have interest. You have interest in US. You have interest in Venezuela as a country.
No, listen. Nana Ziega, Ghana, we cannot fly our fighting jet straight to US. Base, but they can come here at any time,
and that is why you allow Americans to have a base in Ghana. It is okay. It is fine, right?
In international relations,
no, but that is bad.
They have power over you.
Anytime US president comes to Ghana, your airspace, the moment umbrella of Ghana says team, flight in Ghana.
It's a move one fianza.
Now you say
it's move one fianza.
The beast buy your airspace block completely. Beast in the Kemu Hasia about 200 meters radius. Obiafon off. Obiafon enya juma.
Say ya nye enti ye call okay ye fucking yes African president. They are say go basin unwi.
Meba on the light road mama on the light road mama kasem jo.
Say go basin.
Sikes be Kumasi. Obi control ade bi di kobo you notice board. You remember that story?
Yeah.
Control the notice board. Papa Becha on the first one. Where they solve the cat. Okay. Anna,
me ko details.
Anna, Papa Bufu here.
Yeah.
The panel actually got I didn't hear damn to the
very,
state.
very.
Who so ura Kesbe studio now? Ura notice board ni bo ni say ni na be di kem. Enti I didn't hear damn this the panel I say yinedi. And obi asu say I didn't we di we. So and you free meeting. Tie ba be independent. What the trust I don't want to trust Penyah pray ye. E ho na Jola kapeja ne sa. Say Joe. Na say Joe say say ba me a. Say Joe. Joe.
And come on go from.
You understand? Because you heavyweight. Who bad it?
Yeah, but are you are you also not looking at you see a serious matter here can one say no diplomatic issues are very serious matters. You understand? Ukraine some issue statement. My issue statement.
No, but statement. Ukraine
my issue statement.
Statement biama.
Ukraine the point nobody issued a statement.
So we issue statement and Russian government when ye di independence in 2023 no because I didn't about 2022 middle of 2022 no 2022 later part of 2022 into 2023 it is a naka ye issue statement be a damning at the Russia for and Russia for we see a happy independence. You remember?
Sure.
They will start a happy independence. We did not. We did not.
On the more serious note,
because if why I will say that
we have a World Cup to go.
Sure. You see visa craft. You see that I want a more problem with minority, you know. The visa issues that about first now for your friends your friends World Cup then one entry then as we speak today, they've opened a page in this year over thousands that people can access visa to America. Mama for access visa to go and do the World Cup and all visitors and tourism and all that. So my point is that the way Hon Okudzeto Ablakwa say or I didn't know oni paying for ministry honoma or no more dreams way issue statement.
Nobody says what the foreign affairs minister we are attacking.
Are you not aware that Nigeria has even criticized America for doing that thing that they did? Nigeria did.
Listen, at the ministry,
that's why they were part of.
There were diplomats for honoma. You need to consult how you react to international issues. And you be on Facebook, and you be on issue of letter, and then you be on defense accusation or accusation. If it be diplomatic consultation, and now honorable offense as for James and say, do you think I come to Besa? Do you think that past foreign affairs ministers Besa? No, they were engaged.
And so that's what I'm asking. So are you saying that Okudzeto Ablakwa is not engaging?
So do you think President Mama will ask you to write that letter? Tell me.
Which letter?
Say okay if against Israel no we first against Israel they no say how much my MPs for transfer acha yes be cho mo for go and write that letter. Do you think President Mama will
it is one year due diligence is that what you are saying? but or running a ministry has directors, a ministry has diplomats within the ministry of foreign affairs.
The consequence.
Mama ain't find the trial.
No, nobody said the consequence.
Say what's in the office, what for school office or no, or issue as a Kweku control dynamic farm. He needed to do his own meetings internally.
Proud to this 72-75 visa fence ban on the countries. Who share friends and the diplomat of friends in the USA. Say, oh, everything is okay. I mean, we've done everything. So Kenofata will come. Okay, they know intrude. And I did change as I asked it about. I do about that.
And I make us say, I know about into the no stress.
No, nobody says
exactly.
But meaning say he didn't do the due diligence and
so I'm still implying say nunti and the mass had the buy.
So I mean the weddings are too much.
Yes, of course. I'm because everybody born in the eye. We haven't done anything. We see. Now the look up by you. What is that? Me say. Ombra Bonti Bears the reason why we are in this stage. That's all.
Okay, all right.
Chira your mama, comment section. I Penyah Block Media.